Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Mkenya Marekani. Yes, today we'll be doing some mechanics here. Yeah. By the way, Mkenya Marekani does videos, music videos. Okay, we do music videos, weddings. We do advertisement for companies, small companies here, and also those that are back home in Kenya. And I got myself a new toy, which is a Mini DJI 4 Mini Pro. Okay, it's over here. But sadly, on this weekend when I was doing some shooting, I broke one of the arms. This is the front arm of the DJI. This actually is one of the best drones. The DJI on the minis is one of the latest. Is very good. It has some very nice features, but somehow, somewhere, when I was doing the recording for that video, I had put, it has some like automated like quick shots. It's called quick shots. So there is the one inclination that can go like 30 meters and then come back to you. And I wanted that to be as one of my behind the scenes shots. But apparently when I was facing forward, I didn't watch the drone. So it went close by to the electric lines. And my good friends, I just had electro. It was, I don't know if it was electrocuted or what, but we'll be replacing the arm. You see there's the joint, the joint that, this is an axle. This is what we'll be replacing today. So I got this off from Amazon. I'm gonna link up, if in case you want this, I'm gonna link up my associate link so that you can have it. So, and we have the tools that come with it. So, and then also we have the tweezers to pick stuff. Okay, I don't know if you can be able to see. I'm gonna have to bring this back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm also using my one of these mobile mic. So in case you need this, I'll link up also so that you can have it. It came with some tools. So let's go ahead and open this. So we're gonna do this real quick. So yeah, this drone is one of the most recent creation of the DJI. The most unfortunate thing with this DJI, by the way, I was buying it for streaming, but I realized the controller doesn't have HDMI out, which is very unfortunate, because otherwise you can use this for live streaming, like streaming events. But I had to get a USB-C to HDMI, which is not dependable. It can come on or off depending with what it feels like. So let's open. Unfortunately, this thing does not have a it's not magnetic, bro. So how do I remove this? And by the way, I've never done this, so don't think that I'm a pro. I'm just doing some guessworks. I think the best thing to do, I think I will have to have the I'm gonna lock this up first so that it doesn't disturb me. I will lock this thing up so it doesn't disturb me. Okay. Okay. Now we're good. We only have. Oh, what did I do here? Oh, wait a minute. What's happening here? Okay, back to recording. So let's remove this keenly. It's so unfortunate that this torque, this is called a torque. It's not a screwdriver, it's a torque because it's like a small star. So I'll take those out. Okay, let's try to get those. Oh, now that's a challenge. If this thing is not a magnetic, then that's not a good thing. I thought it's a magnetic. How do I remove that screw from there? Okay, so I'm gonna pause, but just know I'm trying to remove the screws from here using this torque. Okay, so let me pause. I try to. The video is not too long. So you see, this is what broke down. Where's my camera? Okay, yeah, you can see that's what broke down. So let me hold this. So we'll be replacing that by this. Okay, this is the axle that we'll be replacing. This is what broke. It's like a joint here. The one that makes my arm to go like this is what is broken. Okay, so we gotta fix that inside the drone first, and then so that you can put it in the arm. So I'm gonna put it back there. Oh wow. Okay, it's gonna be a hard test here. Okay. Yep, that's how it goes. Okay. So let me pause so you see. So that's how it's gonna go in there. See? That's what broke down. So I'm gonna bolt it in and remove the debris. You see? You see we got still that one. That thing, you see? That's what is stuck inside there. Okay. Let me remove that so you see how it looks like. So this is what broke down, and this is what we are replacing. You see? This is what we are these two. One, two. That's what broke down, and this is what we are replacing. So let's go ahead and put it back and see, check back our drone to work. You see, this thing broke from here. It was going there. Okay. Yeah. So let's do it. We have to put this thing back like that. We screw it that way, and then now we screw it to the arm. We can't put it to the arm first because you'll not be able to put your screw straight to tighten those joints. So after trying many ways, I've seen it's better for me to just put the screw like that, because my screwdriver is not, my torque is not magnetic. So I'll put it that way, and then I just dip it. I dip it in there. Okay. Woo. So we found a big challenge. Sorry, I could not record while I'm trying to fix because I was not planned very well. Now I lost one screw. One screw just fell inside this drone, and I don't have the time to take it out. So, but I think I'm done with the drone for now. So this is what we removed. You see that piece? That's what we removed. This piece broke from here. Yeah, if you can see that piece. Oh, sorry. Yep, that piece. Yep, it broke from that one, which was supposed to be like that. Okay, it's a lot of work. It looks like small things, but there's a lot of work. But now we're gonna test our drone. Let me clear our table. Yeah, you see, this is one of the wings. See that? It came down. So let's see if it's working. Yep. Now the drone is working. Woo. Uh, so you see, yeah, the drone is working perfect. Oops. Yep. As you can see, the drone is working nice. We are back. I don't know. Oh, I gotta go outside and see if it's working. Yep, that drone is working. It's one of the most stable drones. So DJI, uh, this is DJI 4 Mini Pro, working great. See, I like the stability, very stable. So other than that, we're good. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Sometimes when you want to take it down, you just go like, whoops, whoops. That's how you break your drone. But yeah, there you go. So it's back to working normal. I'll try get the screw from inside one of the arms. But yeah, it's working stable. So we are all good. Yeah, you can hear the drone is in. I mean, the screw is inside there. So cheers. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. God bless you.